Hello, it's Shepard with BMW Bridgewater, and today I'm going to show you how to input an address into your navigation system. Now go ahead and take a look right here. What we're going to do is click on our navigation icon, and we're going to enter the address. So for BMW navigation, you go step by step. Now there's two ways to do it. You can either speak the address or enter it in manually. Today we're just going to go for the entry manually. So for example, we already have Bridgewater set up. If you want to change the street or house number, you can go ahead and go right into here. Now this is manually set up for Bridgewater. You want to come visit us here, you can just go ahead and click on the street. That's US Highway 22206. And eventually it's going to ask you for the number. Now we here are at 655, so it'll slowly start changing the results depending on what you type in. Right here. And you'd be all set up. Once you go from here, you just follow the rest of the system. It'll ask you to start guidance. It'll take you to your destination and follow the rest of the steps. If you're looking for more in-depth explanation, feel free to come on in here at BMW Bridgewater. Be more than happy to show you. I hope you have a great day.